Sea waves, that's our familiar and beautiful coastline. A small and exquisite figure appeared, the alien robot. Lil P is conducting scientific investigation at beachside on Earth. Lil P is panicking because the beautiful coastline is being polluted by plastic wastes. By upholding the scientific research's spirit, Lil P decides to enter the plastic bottle to collect samples. Suddenly, it's spinning around. It's a kid who is doing recycle. What should Lil P do? Nowadays, although PET bottles can be reproduced into plastic pellets to becoming bottle or plastic products, the plastic pollution still exists after remanufacturing and temporary use. Due to long-term pollution caused by petrochemical industry, and meanwhile the accumulated rubbishes and plastic particles issues are becoming severe, the need of developing a replacement method of turning biomass into plastic is relatively urgent. PEF bottle is produced from biomass, agricultural disposals such as palm, sugarcane, etc., mostly common crops in SEA, mainly to be used to synthesize the source on PEF sugar platform based on the circular economic concept of agricultural disposal to produce daily necessary plastic items. Taiwan has the leading technology in the PEF production field. This exclusive technology includes upstream biomass to downstream bottle manufacturing. Bio-PEF plastics can be decomposed naturally into water and CO2 under a certain condition within 1 year. Besides recycling agricultural disposals for reuse, Bio-PEF bottles can also be decomposed to the nature and becoming an endless recycle. Until now, the biodegradable plastic and compostable PLA are commercialized to replace certain plastic products. Also, PHA marine degradable plastics is diversified in physical characteristics and is easy to decompose, which facilitates single-use packaging. The next generation polyester material PEF has better gas barrier effect than existing petrochemical PET, and PEF is more decomposable than petrochemical PET with future possible mass applications. It's expected to reduce costs and be widely used. Bioplastic decomposition technology is gradually breaking through. Good conditioned plastic products are going through industrial recycle to reproduce. Once it cannot be reused anymore, it will be proceeded into compost decomposition, entering into biological recycle, and be back to the very beginning for production. Taiwan's eco-emblem has certain rules on bioplastic products. Standards are: composts must be within 180 days, 90% and above convert to CO2 and water, and not just to decompose into fragments, but gradually turn into fine particles, thus causing higher damage to the environment. Based on the circular economic concept, plastic products should be applied to current eco-recycle system to thus recycle. Non-usable consumables can then be decomposed. This will allow all resources to be best used and managed. Bottle is naturally decomposed. Lil P is finally having the freedom back. He's taking himself back to the spaceship. Lil P is leaving this beautiful blue planet temporarily. He is feeling concerned, but he is still being optimistic by hoping that the use of eco-industries by humans in the future can allow planet to recover gradually.